How can you make your gallery private on the iPad? Let me show you two methods how you can do this. If you're new here, subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos similar to this one. First of all, you can perform the complete locking of the gallery application. So you need to locate the Photos app on your iPad, hold down on it and click on the options which appear when this panel slides out. So you go to options and click on require Face ID. This just means that the app will be locked, and even if somebody is using your iPad, they will not be able to get inside your Photos app because the pictures are protected by your face or passcode, right? So all of the other apps as well, which can access the photos, will need to be authenticated through you personally because, that is the only way to get to it, right? So that would be a way to completely make the gallery private. However, you might also do it for specific photos and videos only. And the way that you do it is that you open up the Photos application and go to the specific picture you want to lock or make private. And you can click on the three dots in the top right, and there is a hidden button, hide button right away. You click on hide, and this photo will be moved away from the main gallery. It will not appear in any widgets or any memories or suggestions, but it will only be part of the photos which are hidden. So the hidden folder is right away in here, and not only is it hidden, but it's also protected by the passcode and the Face ID, right? So in order to get inside, I have to scan my face, authenticate myself again, and that means that I will be able to see the photos. So that is actually very useful. However, one last thing though, you make sure that you go to your settings, tap on apps and photos, and make sure that you use Face ID as enabled, because otherwise the hidden album will not be locked. It will just be hidden. So that is the way which I wanted to show you. These were the two ways how you can make your gallery private on the iPad. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.